Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to delete Steam game saves, then this is the right video for you. First, open your Steam app. Then, click on Steam on the top left. Now, go to Settings. From here, go to Cloud. Now, uncheck Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it. Then, click on OK. Now, go to Library. Now, select the game that you want. From here, right-click on the game and then go to Properties. Now, click on Browse and find the folder where the game you want to reset is saved. Then, just delete the file. If by any chance you can't find the folder, find the save.ini or save.any folder and then delete the game file. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.